Hello viewers, do you know how to solve some of the basic algebraic expression? So this one is an example of algebraic expression that I want us to solve within the shortest time possible. So don't go away, kindly watch the video up to the end. So we have 2 into bracket 2x plus 8, then you close the bracket is equals to 7 into the bracket x plus 2. So this one is to mean that we have 2 algebraic equations, that we have the first one, then this one is the second one. So we are asked to find the value of x. So we have x here and we also have the x here. So how do we go about this? So let's work it out. So here now we shall have the solution part. So under the solution, let's now say 2 into bracket 2x plus 8, then close the bracket is equals to 7 into bracket x plus 2. So I believe you can still pause the video, calculate it, then from there you can share your answer with us on the comment section. So let's proceed. So when you reach at this step, the first thing that you're going to do, we are going to work out the value of x. So how do you work out the value of x? So first you shall open the bracket. So this number, that is the outer number, you multiply with the number inside the bracket. So that is what it means by opening the bracket. So let's begin. So here now we shall have 2 multiplied by 2x. So from there you shall have 4x. Then add 2 multiplied by 8, we shall have 16. So is equals to, here now you work out this number now, 7 multiplied by x, you shall get it as 7x. Then 7x add 2, 7 multiplied by 2, we shall get it as 14. So once we reach at that step, it is improper for us to just add 4x plus 16, simply because x is known and 16 is unknown. Same way that 7x is known and 14 is unknown. So meaning that we bring the known on the same side, or the like terms on the same side, then the one that is unknown on the other side. So the like terms here are 7x and are 4x and 7x. So let's bring it on the same side. So we shall have the equal sign here in the middle. Then this side now we shall be dealing with the ones that are this side now we shall be dealing with the x's. So here now we shall have 7x here. Then now we shall have this 4x, we have to transfer it to this other side, meaning that it is plus 4x when equal sign. When you cross the equal sign, it will be minus 4x. So this other side, we have to leave it for the unknown, the ones that are not x's. So here now we shall have 16, then this 16. So we want to bring plus 14. When equal sign, it will be minus 14 there. So what do we do next? So we just work it out the way it is. So this one is equals to 7x minus 4x. We shall have 3x. So we shall write our 3x there is equals to 16 minus 14. We shall have our answers as 2. So how do we go about it once we reach at this particular point? So we just have to divide both sides by 3x to remain with x. So divide by 3, divide by 3. So there means that, so 3 divided by 3 is none. So now x here is equals to, so x is equals to 2 over 3. So x is equals to 2 over 3. So we can say that, or apart from that one, we can say 2 over 3, or we can change 2 over 3 into a decimal. So when you change 2 over 3 into a decimal, we shall have 0.6666 recurring. So it means that 6 is repeating itself. So when we round it off to 4 decimal places, so we shall have, so 0. So we shall have 0.6667. So that one shall be our final answer. So if you happens to get 0.667 and 2/3, whichever, it's correct answer. So this 2/3 as a fraction, and this one is 0.6667 as a decimal. So let's now move to the next one. 1 over 5 m minus 12 is equals to 10. So how do you go about this one? So in this case, you are asked to find the value of m. So here it means that we shall start with the solution. So how do you go about the solution? So in this case now we shall have 1 over 5 m minus 12 is equals to 10. So we shall have to transform minus 12 to this other side so that it becomes plus 12. So how do you go about that? So we shall have 1 over 5 m is equals to this 10 now, then this one is minus 12. When you cosine, it will be plus 12. So we can work it out directly. 10 plus 12, so we shall have 1 over 5 m is equals to 10 plus 12, we shall have 22. So remember that we want to do away with the m. So for us to do away with m, we are going to multiply the reciprocal of 1 over 5. And what is the reciprocal of 1 over 5? It is 5 over 1. So multiply here by the reciprocal, that is 5 over 1. So let's also change this one as a fraction, it comes over 1. So 22 over 1. So our next step now is to cancel this. So now we shall remain with m here. So m is equals to, when you work out 22 times 5, so 22 times 5, we shall get our answer as 110. So our answer now becomes 110. So you can still confirm our answer by working out this other side. So for us to confirm our answer, so if at all you get m as 110, you got the correct answer. So how do you confirm the answer? So you just pick the first, our equation was 1 over 5, m minus 12 is equals to 10. So where this m, you just multiply by 110. So now we shall have 1 over 5 m multiplied by 110 minus 12, and let's check if it is giving us 10. So here now where we shall have m, we have placed with 110. So meaning that 5 here once, 5 into 110, we shall have 22. So 22 minus 12, the answer is 10. So this 10 that we got it. So it means that we've got the correct answer.